Hello everyone, my name is Jim Nora. I'm with Tomahawk Power, and today I'm here to talk to you about our portable generator sets. With all the different generator brands out there in the marketplace, why should I choose Tomahawk? You should choose Tomahawk Power generators for 3 reasons. Number 1, we make very high quality professional grade equipment with unique features that's 50 state compliant. Number 2, we have the best support in the industry, bar none. And number 3, budget friendly pricing so you can get the job done under budget. So getting into that, on that first point, pro-grade equipment with unique features. So I have a few of our inverter generators here in front of me. These are all 50 state compliant models. They come standard with the inverter technology, so they're quiet. We build these with copper alternators, very high quality internal components. It's not cheap. A lot of cheaper brands out there will be using recycled aluminum, which is not as good of a conductor of electricity. We also have a lot of cool bells and whistles, such as remote starts. Like here, you can fire up a generator from the front of your truck or from inside a job site, trailer, or if you're tailgating or camping or at an RV site. So convenient options like that, very highly portable. And this TG4500i EFI model is the first of its kind with the electronic fuel injected motor. So you're not gonna have any carburetor issues. Very easy startup. And so that's just one example of some of those, the quality of the product and some of the unique features we have. On the second point, best support in the industry. When you call Tomahawk Power, we have highly trained technical staff in-house that can answer any of your questions or direct you to a local service center, depending on where you might be if you need to get your equipment looked at. We keep parts in stock for everything we sell. And generally, we can get products out within same-day shipping or within 24 to 48 hours, depending on the part you need. All of our units come standard with a 2-year commercial-grade engine warranty and a 1-year total product warranty. So, and we have plenty of customers who've been using these products for 5+ years without any issue. These are very high quality products, and then that back-end support is going to be top notch. Third reason, budget friendly pricing. So you're getting a very high quality unit with top of the line support, but it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. So dollar per watt compared to some of the bigger brands, bigger companies out there, your dollar's going to go a lot further. We're a family-owned business based here in the United States. We value customer service, and we value the contractors who get the job done every day on job sites throughout the country. Or if you're just a recreational user using this to power your RV or tailgating out with friends. We want you to have a great experience, and we don't want you to have to pay an arm and a leg to get that experience. How do I maintain my generator for long-term use? Much like your automobile, if you run a gas-powered vehicle, a couple of things you're going to want to keep in mind are oil changes and frequently checking the air filter as well on your portable generator. Make sure you're putting clean, unleaded fuel. All of our portable generator sets run standard gasoline and utilize 10W30 engine oil in the oil reservoirs. After the first 24 hours of use, once you receive your product, and that's 24 hours of use, not just 24 hours later. Best practices, we recommend to change that oil after that first 24 hours. About every 100 hours of use, best practice is to change that 10W30 engine oil as well. If you're running it on in a job site where there's heavy dust or debris, if you're out in the desert, or if it's a chaotic kind of environment, there's a lot of debris and dust getting blown around, you may want to evaluate that and check your oil on a daily basis. This is true of any generator, regardless of the brand. These are best practices. Still have questions or ideas for future videos? Be sure to leave them in the comments. And as always, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.